everyone. So in last class we have seen about the CRUD operation. So how to insert a record in the table and also how to read the records from the table. We have almost covered this both operations. One is inserting the record and another one is the reading the record. I'll show you again like what are the possible ways we could read the record from the table. So this is the first thing. So select the asterisk from employees. Like we could list out all the elements from the table. So for that we have to use an asterisk. Just in case if you guys wanted to list out only a particular column, say first name and last name, you guys could explicitly mention that. So this would list out only the column called first name and last name. Now just in case if you guys wanted to use a particular condition, like give me the first name and last name whose age is more than 30 or whose age is more than 25 or something, you guys could mention that particular condition using a where clause. Let me make it to 30. So these are the records though whose age is more than 30. So we have another concept by using the select command. So I'm trying to list out the records whose first name is only John. So I'm trying to retrieve the first name and last name columns whose first name is John. So now here you guys could see I got a record whose first name is John, as I used the wait condition where the first name is John. But you guys could actually see there's a difference between the phrase with the word that I have given and the record which I have received. So it's actually by default it's case insensitive. Just in case you guys wanted to explicitly put case sensitive, then you could mention a keyword called binary here. So at present I don't have a record with this particular word, so I would get an empty set. So this is all about reading the elements from the table. So the first thing is listing out all the elements from the table, listing out only the few particular columns from the table, listing out the particular columns with a particular condition. We have seen case insensitive, case sensitive. This is all about reading the records from the table. Let's look into updating the elements from the table. So if you guys wanted to change any particular data in the record, say if you guys wanted to change age of John from 20 to 25, then you guys could use update command. So update command is followed by the table name. We use a keyword called set. We're actually setting up particular columns. We're changing the data of particular column. So we're gonna set age equal to 30. So we are updating the employees table and we're setting the age to 30. But this would change all the data. I mean all the records in the table of the age to 30. But I don't want that to happen. I just wanted only a particular record's age to be changed to 30. So I would be using a where condition where I would be mentioning the particular value of this record. I'm gonna use the first name in my where condition. I'm gonna give where first name equal to John. So the query has been accepted. Let's try to retrieve it. So you guys could see the age has been changed to 30 of this particular record. Since I mentioned explicitly, I mentioned a particular condition only where the first name John only for that particular record the age has to be changed to 30. We do have another concept called using logical operations. Like if in case if you guys wanted to use for multiple conditions, what if you guys wanted to change the age to 30 or 35 whose first name is John and also last name is ABC? So this would make sure only the record whose both the names whose condition both is satisfied, whose first name is John and last name is ABC. You guys could also use OR condition. With OR condition, you guys could make sure like whoever name is first name is John, their names also would be changed to age would be changed to 30, and whoever last name is also with something else, the condition whatever we give, even their names would be also be their age would be also be changed to 30. Let's look into it. First thing I'll use AND condition. So I'm trying to change this record from 30 to 20. So the query is accepted. You guys could see for this particular record, it has been changed as 20. Now, even though if there's another records with the same name, with the same first name called Alex, for that particular record, it wouldn't have changed because we have given an AND condition where AND last name is also equal to Johnson. So that will make sure the first name has to be Alex and also the last name also should be also Johnson. Now we'll use OR condition. Now we are changing our age using OR condition. So this would make sure whoever first name is Alex, change it to 29. Also, whoever last name is Taylor, change it to 29. So you could see 2 rows are being affected. And yeah, for the first name, whoever first name is Alex, change to 29. Or we also see whoever last name is Taylor, it's also changed to 29. That's like both the conditions, or even this also both the conditions. So this would specifically see AND condition, like it should satisfy both. For OR, it should either satisfy either Alex or Taylor. If it is Alex, it will change. If it is Taylor, it will also change. But for here, if it is Alex only, it doesn't change. Even for Alex, the last name should also be Johnson. Only then it would be changed. This is the difference between AND and OR condition. So that's all about update operation. Now let's look into the last operation, delete. So all this I've told you earlier. This CRUD operation is done within the table, like creating a record in the table, reading the elements from the table, updating the elements in the table, and deleting the records from the table. So if you guys wanted to delete a particular record, say you guys have to I want to delete this particular record called Alex, then I have to mention particular where condition, where I have to mention any particular attribute that would reflect in it. So I'm gonna give delete keyword followed by table name where id equal to 3. Have to use from. Oh sorry, it's employee ID. Yeah, so let's try to look into it. Yeah, that particular ID called 3 with the name, the first name Alex, it got deleted. This is how we delete the particular record. Just in case if you guys wanted to delete all the records from the table, then delete from employees 1. This would make sure all the records within the table is deleted, but still we would be having the table, but there would be no records in the table. So we have an empty set, but we still have the table called employees 1. The table is not deleted, only the records in the table has been deleted. So this is all about CRUD operations on the table.